The phone internet guy was just here and he tweaked my internet hookup and, rewired some stuff and gave me a new router. So I would want to check out the upload speed. So I wanted to upload a video. And I don't know, I thought about Dolce Gabbana, the one, and kind of wanted to say a few words about this. This is probably most for all you young guys out there. Thank you very much. You late 20s, mid 30s, all the way to 40. And, mostly designer. And you special niche guys try to follow along with, an equivalent theme or a meme. And I'm going to call this video D&G the one, warm, cozy, understated masculine, which that's how I describe that. And masculine, warm and cozy for this time of year, which is getting into the colder part of the year, the winter, but it's the fall. And warm and cozy kind of meaning sensual, snuggle up with your wife kind, or a friend. And just in case I need to put that down here. So I thought about the one. Actually, I don't think I've talked about this a lot. Sorry. Woody, amber, tobacco, citrus, and the citrus is grapefruit, right? And I don't know, it's just a fantastic fragrance. And in terms of what I'm titling this video, the key word being understated and masculine. This hits it. Like, you're not trying too hard. You're not a perfume nut. The person is going to think that you smell out of this world. Not from a distance, but someone who knows you and is watching TV with you right next to you, holding your hand. And masculine, yes. Understated because it's not heavy, doesn't last too long. It's mainly up close scent, right? But I don't know, there's not much like this. Just like this one here, the La Nuit, right? That hits it. It's understated. Doesn't last too long, but it's up close, right? This could do it. I could be talking about this one. These other two, which are fab, this one's gonna smell more perfumey and cologne-y. It's still gonna smell great, but it's gonna smell, you obviously have something on. And same with this one. If you spray light and it's the dry down, fine, they're gonna work, right? But this one here, and then the La Nuit, you're not gonna be the overstated cologne guy. Like, ooh, you put too much on. You can't put too much of this on. You can't put too much of this on. You could probably put too much of this on. You're gonna perfume out the room if it's if you just put it on. And same here. This is a really fabulous fragrance, but more serious, experienced perfume lover fragrance. You're gonna smell it. This is gonna be in your face. It's gonna be in the person's face. But the one, the D&G, and this is the Perfume, and the original EDT is wonderful too. It really hits that category of understatement, in my opinion. And it'll last as a skin scent longer than you think. It's not going to be projecting anymore. But say you have an occasion inside and you eat and you sprayed this on after you showered and shaved, you're going to be, at first it projects well, but by the time 2 hours later and stuff, and this is going to heat up, and you're watching a movie or so, and you finish dinner, this is going to be sweet. So, and it's the opposite of like trying too hard. This is just like, you're definitely going to get, I love that. I love how you smell. Or what is that? Is that a new one or something like that? And she might say that not in the beginning of the night, but later on when you're sitting by the fire and so on. Check out your wardrobe and see if you can find, niche, because a lot of guys have niche that I know, and see if you can find one that's kind of like smells great, is not strong, masculine, warm and cozy, and understated. Something that is not going to be striking. It's just going to be your aura. You're going to be there's unresistible. You're going to be irresistible is the word I was looking for. So so check out your bottles. And for designers and stuff, I think D&G, the one, Perfume or EDT, really holds a place in that category. I bet a lot of guys, thousands of guys, wear this as their signature scent. I bet they wear it as their special scent, and so on. And this is one of only 5 or 3 fragrances that they have. But yeah, comment down below a niche equivalent or another designer that's just fab, sexy, masculine, and cozy, but not in your face. And get back to me. Give me a comment below. Thanks for watching. Sorry about that flip-flop before, but I'm gonna upload this and see how it goes on my new internet. This is Bobby O, checking in with you guys midweek, getting into the winter. Hope you guys are enjoying your journey as I am. And this is one that you always forget about, but I don't know if you're a perfume collector and you're a guy, you should have a bottle of this. And as far as the bottle itself goes, it's 10 out of 10. That's a man's bottle right there. And I don't know, I love designer bottles. Unique cap. It's just a big chunky bottle of cologne, and it smells irresistible. See you guys later. Bye bye. Thanks.